Number 3, the Jack Russell Terrier. Group number 4, the Dachshund. Group number 6, Beagle. Group number 8, Labrador Retriever. Group number 9, Pekingese. Ladies and gentlemen, your second is Vet Filthy, bred in the show unit. Okay, third place, Philippine born in the show. Third place. Third place goes to Doberman Pinscher. And second place, best Philippine born in the show, goes to the Pekingese. Thank you, Mr. Gladstone. Now we'll have